What is F-gas compliance? F-gas compliance refers to the legal framework governing the use and management of fluorinated refrigerants in commercial air conditioning systems. It ensures systems are maintained responsibly, with proper oversight and environmental accountability. What are F-gases? F-gases are fluorinated greenhouse gases used as refrigerants in commercial air conditioning systems. They are highly effective for cooling, but they have a high global warming potential, meaning leaks must be carefully controlled. Why F-gas regulations exist? F-gas regulations were introduced to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and limit environmental impact. They require organizations to prevent refrigerant leaks, maintain accurate records, and ensure systems are managed responsibly. What F-gas compliance means for your business. For organizations operating commercial air conditioning systems, F-gas compliance is a legal responsibility. Depending on refrigerant charge size, regular leak checks may be mandatory. Proper documentation must be maintained, and failure to comply can result in enforcement action or financial penalties. How F-gas compliance is managed. Compliance is managed through proper system identification, assessment of refrigerant charge size, and scheduled leak detection checks. Accurate service records must be maintained, and all refrigerant work must be carried out by a certified engineer. Where businesses often go wrong. Many organizations assume routine maintenance automatically means compliance. In reality, reactive servicing, incomplete documentation, and a lack of clarity around refrigerant thresholds can leave businesses exposed. A diagnostic first approach. A structured diagnostic first approach ensures systems are properly assessed before decisions are made. Clear documentation and regulation-aware servicing create defensible compliance records and long-term system reliability. Structured F-gas compliance support. If you're responsible for commercial air conditioning systems and require structured, regulation-aware compliance support, Klymatec provides diagnostics-led servicing across the Midlands.